registered license on
I
you?
don't have it on me. I ran right out of the house to visit my daughter.
All right. Are you the registered owner on the tag?
Yes, sir.
So what's your name on there?
Kroy Biermann.
Okay. Sir, I stopped you for 90 miles an hour to 65.
Yeah, I just trying to get to her real quick. That's my fault.
I got you, sir. Just hang out in your car. I'll be with you in a second, okay? All right, sir, I'm going to be citing you for speeding. All right, your signature right here is not admitting to guilt. It's simply acknowledging you're getting a copy, okay? I just need you to sign right there. You're good to go, okay? I can't hear you.
I said you couldn't go with a warning?
Did you not go 90 miles an hour?
I didn't really recognize it.
I got you. I mean, I can say the same thing back, you know what I mean? So be careful, slow down, all right?
I was just sent this body cam video footage that I paid for from the Forsyth County Sheriff's Office in Georgia. And oh boy, it looks like former NFL star and reality show personality Kroy Biermann does not have much respect for the police. We've already watched plenty of body cam videos of Kroy and his beleaguered wife, Kim Zolciak, getting into scary arguments that cops have tried to mitigate at their huge mansion. Now we get to see Kroy talking with cops on his own. Kroy is pretty calm in this video when speaking briefly with a police officer who stopped him on January 7th, 2023, flying at a high rate of speed in his 2019 black Cadillac Escalade SUV. He explains that he raced out of the house to get his daughter, but it doesn't seem like a real emergency is happening. His citation lists him as a 6-foot, 3-inch tall guy who weighs 250 pounds. Remember, Kroy came to Atlanta from Montana in the first place to play football. That's how he met Kim years ago, as captured by Bravo TV reality show cameras. But this night, he is snippy. He got a speeding ticket because the cop didn't let Kroy go on his merry way with just a warning. And get this, Kroy was driving 90 miles per hour without a driver's license on him. If Kroy wasn't a famous man, would he have gotten away with this behavior? Driving a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license is a crime and punishable by law. But not having a driver's license and forgetting your valid driver's license at home are two different things. In Georgia and around the United States, both carry a penalty for the driver, an aggravated misdemeanor, although leaving your wallet at home with your driver's license inside is a misdemeanor penalty, much less serious than not having a valid license at all. Only 2 days later, on January 9th, 2023, Kim posted a photo on Instagram with the caption, "You see me riding?" flexing in the passenger seat of a different vehicle in a white dress. All of her posturing wouldn't last, though, especially once their horrible financial situation became public fodder that year. As for Kroy's reaction to being pulled over, perhaps he was miffed that the officer didn't kowtow to his fame. "You couldn't go with a warning?" Kroy quips at the cop. "Did you not go 90 miles an hour?" The cop replies. "I'll let you watch the entire video before we talk about their new house foreclosure deadline."
registered owner on the tag.
Yes, sir.
So what's your name on there?
Kroy Biermann.
Okay, sir, I stopped you for 90 miles an hour to 65.
Yeah, I just trying to get through real quick. That's my fault.
I got you, sir. Just hang out in your car. I'll be with you in a second, okay?
Be in front of 120 12th Street. A red Chrysler van, George tag, Tango Alpha Alpha 5784 TAA 5784. 120 12th Street. Love.
7532.
Southbound at Woodward, Georgia, Charlie, November, Papa, 3393, CMP 3393 on a white Prius.
Clear southbound Woodward.
So I'm going to be citing you for speeding. Your signature right here is not admitting to guilt. It's simply acknowledging you're getting a copy, okay? I just need you to sign right there. You're good to go, okay? I can't hear you.
I said you couldn't go with a warning?
Did you not go 90 miles an hour?
I didn't really recognize it.
I got you. I can say the same thing back, you know what I mean? So be careful, slow down, all right?
I'll be 7 Victor.
So this video took place at the start of the same year that Kim and Kroy would begin to star in quite a few dramatic body cam videos in their home, as they argued over property and a plethora of issues like gambling accusations and more. With a divorce looming and many money problems, the couple couldn't hide anymore from the glare of real-life body-worn cameras. Those who watched my previous video of the latest body cam footage between Kim Zolciak and her estranged husband, Kroy Biermann, from April 2024, wherein she accused him of bringing escorts into their house, might remember that I said I requested this body cam video of Kroy's speeding stop that happened last year. I sent off the Freedom of Information request, requesting body cam videos. For the citation from January 7th, 23 at 7:33 p.m. for Kroy Biermann of Alpharetta, Georgia, who was stopped going 90 miles per hour, which the cop reduced to 88 miles per hour, in a 65 miles per hour zone in Forsyth on 400 SB at Union Hill Road by Officer B. Wiley. Meanwhile, Kim and Kroy have 90 days to sell their home and avoid foreclosure. If they don't sell their house and pay Truist Bank back what they owe the bank by August 26th, the foreclosure proceedings can start once more. It seems like this is their last chance to avoid foreclosure. As of this recording, their $4.5 million home is still listed at that price with its 11 bathrooms, 7 bedrooms, vanishing edge pool, and more than 15,000 square feet of luxury. With all the body cam fame and turmoil, will anyone step in and rescue the house and save Kim and Kroy from foreclosure? Chances are their neighbors in the area of the 18th fairway at the manor are hoping some peaceful millionaire moves in and takes the place of this bickering couple who likes to call the cops. Kroy is obviously fed up with the cops. The most recent video from their home in April featured Kroy yelling through the bedroom door at police and refusing to talk calmly with them face to face. As this 90-day countdown to potentially losing their home gets closer to D-Day, let's hope this family can really work out a peaceful solution to their plight. We'll all be watching the body camera footage. Let's close with Zechariah 14:8, and in that day, living waters will flow out from Jerusalem, half of them to the eastern sea, Dead Sea, and half of them to the western sea, the Mediterranean. It will be in summer as well as in winter,